In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add backlog view in Kanban board. If you want quicker access to your backlog directly from your Kanban board, this is a simple setup that can make your workflow much smoother. Adding the backlog view to your navigation helps you move between active board work and upcoming tasks without extra searching, which is especially useful when you're planning, prioritizing, or reviewing what should be worked on next. To begin, open your Kanban board and look for the plus icon in the navigation area. This is where you can add more views or shortcuts to the board interface. Go ahead and click the plus icon. This opens the option to add something new to your board navigation, and it's the starting point for enabling backlog access from the board. Once that menu appears, look for the backlog option. When you see it, click on backlog. This tells the system that backlog is the view you want to make available from this board. If you manage tasks in stages, this can be very helpful because it gives you a dedicated place to review work that isn't yet in progress while keeping your board focused on active items. After selecting backlog, you'll be given the option to add it into your navigation. Click on Add to Navigation. This final step places the backlog view directly in the board's navigation area, making it easy to access anytime you need it. After you do that, the backlog view should now appear alongside your other board navigation options. From here, you can click into it whenever you want to organize upcoming issues, reorder priorities, or prepare work before it moves on to the active Kanban board. A quick tip: if you don't immediately see the updated navigation, try giving the page a moment to refresh visually, or click around the board interface once to confirm the change has been applied. In most cases, the backlog view appears right away after you add it, and that's it. As you can see, adding backlog view in a Kanban board only takes a few clicks. Click the plus icon, choose backlog, and then select Add to Navigation. It's a small change, but it can make your board much more practical for day-to-day planning and task management.